in new class, class 4. I'll take your English literature. Today I'm going to start your first lesson, which is In Big Trouble Again. Before starting your lesson, I would like to introduce with the characters of this lesson or story. There are two brothers and one sister, Kalu and Sabu. They both are brother, and one sister, they used to call her Munia. The main thing is, Kalu little bit he was lazy or he was not punctual. This was the reason both brother and sister Sabu and Munia, they used to make fun of his brother and they played a prank on their brother. So whatever the inside the story, I'll read the story one by one and I'll explain you. Kalu, get up. You will be late for school again. Kalu's brother Sabu, he came and he told him to get up because he was getting late for school. Kalu pushed a sleepy face out of his blanket and cried, Sabu, I hardly slept, it's too early. He said, I hardly slept, it's too early, so let me sleep more. No, it isn't, his brother Sabu said. The sun came up long ago. Ammi had already milked buffalo and we have all had breakfast. He said, no, you have to get up, it's too late. All the school kids of our neighborhood went past long ago. You are late. Now see, all the children or kids of our neighborhood went past long ago and you are late. Everyone's gone, even Munia. Suddenly, Kalu, he woke up and he asked his brother, everyone's gone. And he asked about Munia also. Kalu threw back the blanket and jumped out of bed. Suddenly, he threw blanket and jumped out of the bed. He couldn't be late for school. Not again. 2 days ago, Master G had threatened him with serious punishment. If he was late one more time, he had even spoken about not promoting him. Master G said that if he will be late again, so Master G will not make him promote in next class. So Kalu got ready at super speed like he did every morning. He got ready very fast. Every day he does the same thing. How lucky Sabu is to have broken his foot. Sabu, he has broken his foot somewhere. So Kalu, he was thinking about his brother. He is so lucky. No school for an entire month, thought Kalu as he ran out of the house. Sabu leaned out of the window to watch Kalu disappear. Disappear means vanish. Down the road, and a huge grin spread across his face. Grin means, I have written over here, wide smile, a big smile. Sabu, he was looking out of the window to his brother and suddenly he had a big smile, wide smile on his face. He is gone, Sabu sang. You can come out, Munia. Suddenly he called out his sister Munia to come out. His sister Munia, who had been hiding behind a cupboard, she came out with an even bigger smile on her face. She also came out with a big smile. They laughed so much. What a shock Kalu was going to get. They both were laughing and feeling very happy and they were thinking what a shock Kalu was going to get. Poor Kalu was out of breath. Out of breath means unable to breathe properly because he was running very fast as he could. Life was a mystery to him. Mystery means a situation people cannot understand or explain. He was in that situation. He liked school. He enjoyed doing sums and learning science. He loved playing football and singing in school programs. he used to like to go to school. He used to like to study science, maths, and he used to like to take part in school programs also. But then why? Oh, why did he find it so hard to get to school on time? But why it is too hard to get up on time to school? Even Master Ji couldn't understand it. He had suggested mockingly that start sleeping in the school veranda at night. Kalu speeded up as he thought of Master Ji's angry voice and crossed the chai shop. Chai shop means it was a tea shop. Salam, Dharam Chacha. Chacha means uncle. Kalu yelled. Dharampal, the chai shop means tea shop owner, looked up from his boiling kettle and gave Kalu a surprised look. Arey, it's Kalu. Then he grinned widened. What's a matter? Did the sun rises from the west? The chai shop or the tea shop owner, he was thinking, what happened with Kalu? Why is he in hurry today? And what's the matter? Is something wrong today? Did the sun rise from the west today? Where are you going so early? He asked. Where are you going so early in the morning? School. Where else? Pakora first. Pakora, it is a fried Indian snack. And he laughed. Dharam uncle, he started laughing. Garam garam dharam ke pakore. It means hot pakoras made by Dharam uncle. Kalu had no time to stop and reply because he was in hurry. Dharampal Chacha, Chacha means uncle, jokes about everything, he grumbled. Grumble means complain in an unhappy way because Kalu, he was very sad and he was in hurry. What was so funny about him being late for school anyway? It happens every week. So he said it happens every week, no need to listen to him. As he ran, Kalu tried to come up with an excuse. Excuse means reason that you give to explain bad behavior. Sometimes you also give to your teacher. A good story, he mumbled. Mumbled means said quietly so that other people could not understand. So he mumbled to himself, a brand new story, or Kalu, you will be standing in the corner again. He was thinking to make a new story to tell his Master Ji, otherwise he'll have to stand again in the corner. So this was the half part of the story. Whatever I taught you, go through it, and I'll continue the same topic in my next video. Thank you. Students, today I'll continue the same lesson, which is in big trouble again, session 2. So I'm going to start your lesson again. How about Ammi was ill and he had to make breakfast? No, he had tried that one at least twice before. This idea he had tried already. It wouldn't work again. The goat had run away. Definitely not. It hadn't worked the last time either. Why was it so hard to come up with an excuse? Hadn't he done this so many times before? Kalu thought up 1,000 excuses as he ran. Each one worse than the other. He was thinking about many ideas to tell his Master Ji. Soon Kalu ran past Dhamu's house. He was his best friend and his sister Saru sitting in the courtyard. Courtyard means an open space that is surrounded by buildings. Friend's sister, she was sitting in courtyard and she was eating breakfast. Dhamu looked up at Kalu. His friend also came out and he also looked up at Kalu. His eyes wide with surprise. Oi, Kalu, wait for me. He told his friend Kalu, just wait for me. What happened today? No time. Kalu huffed past at full speed. Meet you in school. He said his friend, we will meet in school only. Huh? They are too late. He was thinking about his friend. He is and his sister both are too late. Kalu thought gleefully. Gleefully means something happy, happily. Hopeful Masterji will be so busy shouting at them that he'll forget about me. He was thinking Masterji will scold my friends and I'll be safe that time. But when he reached the school gate, Kalu's heart began to beat really very fast. Guess who was standing there rubbing his hands in the cold? Masterji. He was thinking about the Masterji. He must be standing near the gate for me. He is waiting for me. Kalu began nervously, I am sorry. I am late, Masterji, but today it's not my fault at all. I had to help Sabu take a bath. You know, he's broken his leg again. He was telling these things to his Masterji. Sorry, Masterji. It's not my fault. I was helping my brother Sabu because he has broken his leg. He came to a sudden stop and stared at the amazing sight in front of him. Masterji, the scariest human being on earth, was laughing. He was thinking about Masterji. He was the scariest human being on the earth, but that time Masterji was laughing. Wait, Masterji held up a hand. Why are you telling me a new story today? Masterji asked Kalu, why are you telling me a new story today? What is the matter today? What's wrong with you? What story? I never tell you stories. Every word is 100% true, Masterji, said Kalu. Kalu replied, I never tell you stories. 100% whatever I am saying you, it's overall true, Masterji. You are nearly 15 minutes early, Kalu, said Masterji. He was smiling. With a big smile, Masterji told him that you are 15 minutes early today. Early? Kalu froze in shock. What do you mean, early? Masterji pointed to his watch. See, 7:45. Munia not here. He just told him Munia is also not present in the school. You are too early to school today. No one's here yet. And Masterji laughed again. No one except you. Kalu stood still for a second. Then he screamed. Means he shouted. He was getting angry. I am going to kill Sabu and Munia because they both making fun of him. They played a trick on me just because Sabu was bored. I could have slept more. I could have had breakfast. He was missing all things. Then Masterji said, you wasted a good story too. Better come in anyway. I'll make Sabu pay for this, Kalu said, punching his hands together. That will you do. I'll break his leg also. So, Kalu was thinking he will break his other leg also because he was getting angry on his brother. Brother and sister, they both were making fun on him. Overall, the main thing was that Kalu's brother and sister, they both were trying to make him punctual and active. This was the reason they both played a prank on their brother for his benefit only. So whatever I taught you, this was the story. I finished it. So I'll continue in my next video. Thank you. I have given you some spellings to learn. You have to learn these spellings. Learn by heart. Thank you.